How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Bambu Lab A1 Z-axis. So there's multiple ways to do this. Of course, we are troubleshooting. The first thing that you want to check or to remove is the shipping brackets. Ensure that the black plastic Z-axis shipping brackets are removed from the base right here. Now, right after, you can run a self-test. So we want to navigate through the machine settings on the screen right here. From there, you can click on the run self-diagnosis or self-test, or you can also navigate through the application itself, connect it with your printer, and then run a self-diagnosis to see which is the problem. Now, we want to clean and lubricate the rails. You want to check for the debris on the railings right here. And then you just want to clean them with a cloth and then apply a lubricant to ensure smooth movement from both the Z-axis and the X-axis. Now, we can manually reset our printer. You want to turn it off first, manually push the Z axis to the top, and then turn it back on and try homing again. So you just want to make sure that the Z axis is all the way up. Right after, we can check the sensor cables. Inspect the toolhead cables to ensure that they are properly connected and not damaged. And lastly, for a quick fix, you want to tap the sensor. If the Z homing fails, you want to lightly tap the bottom of the print bed in the back where the sensors are located. And from there, hopefully after doing all of this troubleshooting, you will be able to fix your Bambu A1 lab. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.